Hey guys, Daz Hartley here, and on behalf of Shahar and myself, I'd like to thank you for coming by and checking out our page today. This unique and easy to implement method is something that we use to make $128.24 per day. The best part is you need no technical skills or qualifications. In fact, all you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. And you can set this up in less than 30 minutes and start seeing results and commissions on complete autopilot. Hence the name Income Automator. Because with the Income Automator system, you get results fast, and I mean fast. Many of the courses and trainings out there are the same thing, tricked out to look a little different. You know exactly what I mean. Trust me, product creators are very, very creative. But when you get inside, it's the same old thing. Yep, that's what it is. Time and time again. Basically, it's the same old crap. Methods that undeliver and leave you feeling confused and frustrated, losing your hard-earned cash, and then feeling betrayed. Income Automator is different than this because it works. Here's some screenshots just to show you. Day in, day out. Again and again. And it's not just myself getting results with this. We have members that are absolutely killing it. I want you to imagine what it would feel like waking up and seeing money deposited into your bank while you were sleeping and catching Z's. Income Automator is a tried and true method that works. It's completely different than other systems out there that take hours, days, or even weeks just to set up. Here's the problem. Most people think the only way to make money online is by creating a product, building a downline in an MLM program, or selling on Amazon. The problem is most of those methods are time consuming. They take forever. Or they never actually produce results. With Income Automator, you're going to get access to a method that once set up will produce income for you on complete autopilot 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This works, and it works fast. Income Automator truly is a complete system. You know how sometimes when you buy a new product, it's obvious that things have been left out? Well, that's a feeling you will not get with Income Automator. Because the way we have put it together for you in an A to Z system that anyone, including the newest of newbies, can use to start making $128.24 per day right away, I guarantee results will come fast with Income Automator. And you can have it set up in under 30 minutes. The Income Automator method grows over time. Many people, myself included, are making much more than $128.24 per day. The numbers I'm sharing on this page are what a total newbie could expect. You could easily create a job replacing income. Just imagine what you could be making a month from now, 6 months from now, a year from now. Yep. Think about what you can do with the right proven system. Income Automator is really something different. You don't need a website. The whole system is an absolute breeze to set up. And once Income Automator is set up, it only takes a few minutes a day to maintain it. To be honest with you, I could only wish I'd known about this stuff when I was getting started, because Income Automator works and could very well be the last course you'll ever need to invest in. It doesn't just stop at $128.24 a day. There's no limit to the money you can make with Income Automator. Each Income Automator setup takes less than 30 minutes. there's absolutely nothing stopping you from setting up more and more again and again. To make sure you succeed with Income Automator, we've also included a step-by-step instruction in over-the-shoulder do-as-we-do video course and the exact steps you need to follow to keep the money flowing. It's just like having us right there with you, holding your hand and guiding you to making money in your pocket. Now, I know what you might be thinking about this. You've seen others selling methods that promise to put billions and billions of dollars into your pocket with less than 30 minutes of work, making $128.24 per day. But in the world of online systems, it's not a massive number. Here's the deal. When we say $128.24 per day with less than 30 minutes of your time, we're giving you real numbers, not pigs can fly and fairies exist numbers. Sure, making billions by pressing a button on some lame software sounds great, right? But how's that working for you? With Income Automator, you're getting your hands on something real, something that actually works. It will change your life. So if you're tired of seeing the same old rehashed stuff time and time again, you owe it to yourself to click the button below this video right now and get Income Automator. Income Automator is 100% newbie friendly. Although, when we put Income Automator together, we plan to release this for $97 or more. Trust me, it's actually worth way more than that. Why? Because it works and it's easy to follow. You're not going to pay anywhere near that today. For the initial launch, the price has been slashed. You can get your hands on Income Automator for a small one-time investment. Don't wait. The price is going to go up fast, so there's no sense paying more than you have to, especially when there's no risk. We're giving you a full 30 days to make sure Income Automator is for you. And if for any reason you're not satisfied, let us know and we'll give you a full, no question asked, prompt refund. I know you've tried everything else. Now it's time to try something new, something real, something that actually works. That being said, you owe it to yourself to check out Income Automator today. Remember, there's no risk. Click the button below now and grab your copy of Income Automator today.